Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to mute stories on Facebook. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Muting stories on Facebook is a great way to control the content you see on your feed. You can mute stories from people or pages you don't want to see, or from people you only want to see their stories on their profile page. This can be done from either the stories section or the profile page of the person or page you want to mute. Muting stories is a great way to keep your Facebook feed focused on the content that you want to see. To mute someone on the Facebook story, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile. Then, navigate to the Stories section at the top of your feed. Now, find the story you want to mute and tap on it to view. Once the story is open, tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the pop-up menu, select Mute Story. A pop-up window will appear asking you to choose a time to mute, for 24 hours, for 1 week, and until you unmute them. From the pop-up menu, select one option and tap on Mute to complete the process. Now, the selected story will now be muted, and you will no longer see updates from that person in your Stories section. This is exactly how you mute someone on Facebook story. Hope this video helped you. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment box. Thank you for watching to the end, and see you in the next video.